Third question, in the following APs, find the missing terms in the box. A1, A2, A3, you have to find A2. For whichever term they give, always have a habit of finding A first, then D and go for the term. Easy. So A1 is 2. A3 is 26. But what is A3? A plus 2D is 26. This is nothing but A. 2 plus 2D is 26. How? Label this as 1 from 1. 2 goes aside. 2D is equal to 26 minus 2. 2D is equal to 24. 24 by 2. D equals 12. You have D, you have A. Can you find A2? A2 is nothing but A plus D. A is 2. D is 12. 14. So the missing term is 14. Next question. A1, A2, A3, A4. You have to find A1 and A3. Start with this. A2 given is 13. So that means A plus D is 13. Next, A4 given is what? 3. A plus 3D is 3. We already saw the elimination method for this problem. Both their coefficients are 1, 1. So nothing to worry. This is 1 and 2. We will do equation 2 minus 1. So when you do equation 2 minus 1, A plus 3D is equal to 3. A plus D is equal to 13. You can do 1 minus 2 also. You will get the same answer. No problem. Change the signs. A and A cancels. 3D minus D, 2D. 3 minus 13 minus 10. D is equal to minus 5. So once you get D, find A. How? Equation 1, substitute. A plus D, D is minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to 13. A is equal to 13 plus 5 and A is equal to 18. They have asked for A1 and A3. So A1 is nothing but A itself, so 18. A3 is A plus 2D. 18 plus 2 into minus 5. 18 minus 10 is 8. First always simplify the AP. 5 dash dash 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1 19, 19 by 2. Now A1, A2, A3, A4. You have to find A2 and A3. They have given A1 and A4. A1 is equal to 5. That implies A is equal to 5. A4 is equal to 19 by 2. That implies A plus 3D is 19 by 2. But we already know A is 5. 5 plus 3D is 19 by 2. So now 3D is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. Take LCM. LCM is 2. 19 minus 10. 3D is equal to 9 by 2. D is equal to 9 by 2 into 3. 3 goes down. 3 1s are, 3 3s are. D is equal to 3 by 2. So we got D is equal to 3 by 2, and what do we have the value of A as? 5. We want A2 and A3. So A is 5, D is 3 by 2. Now let us find A2 and A3. A2 is A plus D. 5 plus 3 by 2, take LCM, 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. Next, A3, do it here only. A plus 2D, what is A? 5, plus 2 into 3 by 2, 2 cancels, 5 plus 3, 8, 13 by 2 and 8. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Carefully observe. This is A5. Okay. Yeah. Now carefully observe. A1 is given as minus 4. That implies A is equal to minus 4. A6 is given as 6. That implies A plus 5D is 6. But we already know A is minus 4. Substitute here. Minus 4 plus 5D is 6. How did we get that? From equation 1. Fine? Okay. Minus 4 goes outside. 5D is equal to 6 plus 4. 5D is equal to 10. D is equal to 2. So we have A equals minus 4, D equals 2. You have to find A2 to A5. A is equal to minus 4, D equals 2. Do and go. A2, A plus D, minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. A3, A plus 2D, minus 4 plus 2 into 2, minus 4 plus 4, 0. Next, A4, A plus 3D. What is A? Minus 4 plus 3 into 2, minus 4 plus 6, that is 2. A5, A plus 4D. A is minus 4 plus 4 into D, 2. Minus 4 plus 8, that is 4. So you have your missing terms, minus 2, 0, 2, 4. Next one, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. A2 is 38. That implies A plus D is 38. Next, A6 is minus 22. That implies A plus 5D is minus 22. I always took 2 from 2 minus 1, equation 2 minus 1. This time we'll do 1 minus 2, so you understand both of them are equally good. You can do any method. So just for your understanding, 1 minus 2 we'll go for this time. So A plus D is equal to 38. A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. I am subtracting equation 2, so the signs will change. What will happen? Minus, minus, minus sign will become plus. Okay? So now cancel, cancel. D minus 5D, minus 4D. 38 plus 22. 38 plus 22, 60. D is equal to 60 by minus 4. D is equal to minus 15. So once you get the value of D equals minus 15, you can get the value of A using any equation. I am using equation 1. A plus D is 38. A minus 15 is 38. A is equal to 38 plus 15. 38 plus 10, 48. 48 plus 5, 53. A is equal to 53. I have A equals 53, D equals minus 15. What all do I want? I want A1, A3, A4, A5. So I have A equals 53, D equals minus 15, and I want A1, A3, A4, A5. Okay, carefully see now. A1 is just A, 53. A3 is A plus 2D. 53 plus 2 into minus 15. 53 minus 30. How much? 23. Continuing. A4, A plus 3D. A is 53 plus 3 into D minus 15. 53 minus 45. Be quick. 8. Next, A5. A plus 4D. 53 plus 4 into D minus 15. 53 minus 60 minus 7. These are the missing terms. Question 4. Which term of the AP is 78? By now you should have understood when they say which term, they tell you nth term of the AP is 78. What is n? So here A given is 3, D is A2 minus A1, 8 minus 3 which is 5, and you have n we don't have, we want it. AN is 78. All of us know the formula by now. What's the thing? AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. AN given here is 78 is equal to 3 plus N minus 1 into 5. 78 is equal to 3 plus 5N minus 5. 78 is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 2 plus 5N. Minus 2 comes the side. 78 plus 2 is equal to 5N. 78 plus 2, 80 is equal to 5N. N is equal to 80 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 3 remainder 30. 5 6 are 30. Therefore, it is the 16th term. Fifth one, find the number of terms in each of the following APs. See, they are asking how, it's a finite AP. Finite AP means 10 terms, fixed terms. It's not forever. So, they are asking how many terms are here. See, if I find out which term this is, that means if I find out that, okay, this is the 17th term, then can I see there are totally 17 terms? Yes. So, what I will do, I will take this as AN and I will find the value of N. That will tell me how many terms are there in the AP. I hope it's clear. So, A is 7, D is A2 minus A1, 13 minus 7, that is 13 minus 7, 6. Next, AN is 205. I am going to find the value of N. AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 205. A is 7 plus N minus 1. D is 6. 205 is equal to 7 plus 6N minus 6. 205 is equal to 7 minus 6 is 1 plus 6N. Send the 1 this side. 205 minus 1 equals 6N. 204 is equal to 6N. N is equal to 204 by 6. 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 0s are, 2s are. 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 4s are. N equals 34. If this is the 34th term of the AP and it is the last term, how many terms are there in the AP? 34 terms. Therefore, there are 34 terms in an AP should be your conclusion statement. Same type, one more question. So, if you understood the previous question, this should be easy. A equals 18. What is D? Okay, before we go ahead, shall we simplify this a little? Because it's mixed fractions, no? So, 18, 2 15s are 30. So, 30, 31 by 2. And this is 13 and minus 47. So, A is 18, D is 31 by 2 minus 18. Take LCM, 31 minus 36 by 2 minus 5 by 2. AN given is minus 47. Find the value of N. So, now what is the formula for AN? AN formula is A plus N minus 1 into D. You have everything, substitute. AN is minus 47 plus, equal to A 18, N you want to find out, D minus 5 by 2. Careful, minus 47 is equal to 18 plus, minus 5 by 2 into N, minus 5N by 2, minus into minus plus 5 by 2. Be careful. 18 and 5 by 2 you have to add now. Minus 47 is equal to, take LCM 2. 18 into 2, 36. 36 plus 5 by 2 minus 5N by 2. Minus 47 is equal to 41 by 2 minus 5N by 2. Send the 41 by 2 this side. Minus 47 minus 41 by 2 is equal to minus 5N by 2. Now what happens? Take LCM as 2. What will happen here? Minus 47 into 2, minus 94 minus 41 is equal to minus 5n by 2. Minus 94 minus 41 minus 135 by 2 is equal to minus 5n by 2. 2 cancels, minus minus cancels. 135 by 5 is equal to n. n equals 5 2s are 5 7s are, n equals 27. Since the last term's value n equals 27, the total number of terms in the AP are 27. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. Whenever they ask check whether, you have to find the value of n. If n is greater than or equal to 1 or n is a positive integer, then yes, it is a term of the AP. If it's not, then it's not a term of the AP. Easy. So A is 11. D is 8 minus 11 minus 3. AN is minus 150. You have to find N. AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. AN minus 150 is equal to 11 plus N minus 1. D is minus 3. Minus 150 is equal to 11, minus 3 into n minus 3n, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. 11 plus 3, 14. Minus 3n, and this side you have minus 150. Please see. Okay. So now 14 comes this side, minus 150 minus 14 is equal to minus 3n. Minus 164 is equal to minus 3n. n is equal to minus 164 by minus 3. n is equal to, is this divisible by 3? First of all, no. So is this an positive integer? Positive, yes, but is it an integer? No. Since n is not a positive integer, therefore this is not possible. Minus 150 is not a term of the AP. Next question. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Carefully listen, they are asking to find the 31st term. Given 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. We have already solved questions similar to this. A11 is what? A plus 10D is equal to 38. And here A plus 15D is equal to 73. You can do either equation 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. I am doing 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. So A plus 15D is equal to 73. A plus 10D is equal to 38. Change the signs. Minus, minus, minus. A and A cancels. 15 minus 10, 5D is equal to 73 minus 38. 3 minus 8 can't do, so this will become 6, 13. 13 minus 8, 5. 6 minus 3, 3. 5D is equal to 35. So 5D is equal to 35. D is equal to 35 by 5. D is equal to 7. Now I want A also. So use any one equation. We'll use equation 1. A plus 10D. So 10 into 7 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70. A is equal to how much? How much is 38 minus 70? Minus 32. Please do the math. So you have A is minus 32, D is 7. Can you find A 31? So now A 31. A plus 30D minus 32 plus 30 into 7 minus 32 plus 210. 210 minus 32. 1s are, 10s are, 10s are. 10 minus 2, 8. 10 minus 3, 7. 178. Plus 178 is the 31st term. Eighth one. An AP consists of 50 terms. That means it has A1, A2 up to A50. A3 is the 12. A3 is 12. Last term is 106. Who is the last term? This is 50. Who is the last term? A50. So, last term is 106. I can say A50 is 106. Find the 29th term. Absolutely same method. So, how do we do this? We can say this is A plus 2D is 12. We can say this is A plus 49D is 106. Label this as equation 1, this as equation 2. 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2, anything. So, if we do 2 minus 1, A plus 49D. A plus 49D is equal to 106. A plus 2D is equal to 12. Change signs because it is subtraction. A cancels. 49D minus 2D, 47D is equal to 106 minus 12. 106 minus 10, 96. 96 minus 2, 94. D is equal to 94 by 47. D is equal to 2. Now, substitute in any one of the equations. I will substitute in 1. What was the equation 1? A plus 2D is 12. I am substituting the value of D here. 2 into 2 equals 12. A plus 4 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 4. A is equal to 8. So, you have 2 and 8. You want the 29th term. So, easy. What is A29? A plus 28D. 8 plus 28 into 2. 8 plus 28 into 2. 28 plus 28. 56. 64 is the answer. If the third and ninth term of the AP are 4 and minus 8, third term is 4, ninth term is minus 8, which term of the AP is 0? An is 0. What is this value of n? Which term means find the value of n, I have told you. So, before you do questions like these, always find A and D and then it becomes easy. So, we will keep this aside for now. First, we will find A and D. A3 is 4. So, A plus 2D is 4. A9 is A plus AD. It's given as minus 8. Label this as equation 1, this as equation 2. What do we do? 2 minus 1. A plus AD is equal to minus 8. A plus 2D is equal to 4. Now, subtract. So, change signs. Minus, minus, minus. A minus A cancels. 8 minus 2D, 6D is equal to minus 8 minus 4 minus 12. Careful. D is equal to minus 12 by 6. D is equal to minus 2. I got the value of D. I also need the value of A. Substituting in 1. A plus 2D is 4. A plus 2 into minus 2 is 4 because D is minus 2. A minus 4 is equal to 4. A is equal to 0. You have got A equals 0 there. So, A is 0. D is minus 2. Which term is the 0th term? Answer is right here. First term is the term whose value is 0. Suppose someone might get confused, they might go to solve further. How? They will say An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A given is 0. An given is 0. A we found is 0 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. So, what happens here? 0 is equal to minus 2n plus 2. Send that to the side. Minus 2 equals minus 2n, n equals 1. If you can't recognize here, you can go for the an method. You will still get answer as n equals 1. That is nothing but first term. Okay? What is the meaning of exceeds by? Let's say there are two people having a race, A and B. B exceeds A. B exceeds A by 10 meters. So now tell me, the distance travelled by B is this much. The distance travelled by A is this much. Can I say distance travelled by B is same as distance travelled by A plus extra 10? B exceeds A by 10 meters. I hope this is understood. We are going to use this concept. Please rewind and rewatch if you have not understood this. Okay. So now, the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by how much? By 7. A17 is more than A10 by 7. Find the common difference. Very easy. A17 is A plus 16D. A10 is A plus 9D plus 7. A and A are same terms on the opposite sides. 16D, send 9D this side, minus 9D equals 7. 16D minus 9D, how much? 7D is equal to 7. D is equal to 7 by 7 or D is equal to 1. That's all. Question 11. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? Which term? Is it the first term, second term? Which term? So you can say nth term. So we don't know that term. So we don't know that term and let the term be an. AP given is 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on. They are saying which term of the AP, let's say it's this term, nth term, is 132 more than the 54th term. 132 more than plus 132. More than whom? The 54th term. What is an? We don't want an, we want n first, then we can automatically find an. Or you can find an first and then n also, that is also fine. So now what happens here? An is nothing but A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to A54, A plus 53D plus 132. A cancels. N minus 1 into D. From this one, got to write it here. A is equal to 3, D is equal to 15 minus 3, that is 12. Substitute the value of D over here. 12 is equal to 53D plus 132. 12 into n. Here D, here also is 12. Okay, 12 into n, 12n minus 12 is equal to 53 into 12. How much is 53 into 12? 2 5s are 10 plus 53. 6 3 6 6 36. 636 plus 132. 12n minus 12 is equal to 636 plus 132. 8 6 7. 768. Send the minus 12 that side. 12n is equal to 768 plus 12. 768 plus 12, 780 is equal to 12n. N is equal to 780 by 12. 2 6 are 2 3 90s are 3 2s are 3 130s are 2 1s are 2 65s are. Value of n is 65. That means the 64th term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. You can stop right here. Suppose they ask you which term, they ask you what is the value of the term. So we'll have to find a and 2. So what will be an? A plus n minus 1 into d. We want a 65. What is a? 3. So 3 plus 65 minus 1 into 12. 3 plus 64 into 12. 64 into 12. What is 64 into 12? 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12 plus 64, 8, 6, 7. 768. 3 plus 768. 771. So, therefore, look carefully. 64th term of the AP you can stop there, but if they ask you the term also, then this is the term 771. 64th term of the AP is 132 more than the 54th term. This is the value of the term itself, but they are asking which term meaning value of n.